Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we are going to be doing our famous unboxing duel. We are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag for October 2023, which by the way, new packaging, not sure if you guys noticed that. And we're going to be comparing it against the Macy's beauty box for October 2023. Now, if you guys have not seen this video before, this is a series that I started over the summer. These two beauty boxes are very similar to one another. They have the same idea of sending beauty samples every single month. They cost the exact same amount at $15 a month for them, plus your sales tax, of course. But all in all, they're very similar on paper, so why not compare them and do our versus videos? And I gotta be real with you guys, ever since I started doing these, I have literally looked forward to seeing what Ipsy will do, because I feel like Ipsy has gotten better since I started doing this video. I don't know if it's because Ipsy's watching, I don't know if it's because of my style quiz, but to me, Ipsy has improved as far as the glam bag goes ever since I started comparing it to Macy's. Maybe it's just a perspective thing. I don't know. Maybe it's just like a psych moment for me. So I don't know what it is. It could just be me here. But we're going to do a comparison between the October 2023 boxes today. We're going to see which one has the best beauty box for only $15 a month. But of course, if you guys are interested in either of these, I will have links listed down below for you. But let's go ahead and start this video, you guys. Let's see what happens. So we're going to start with the Ipsy Glam bag. And like I said, we have all new packaging. This is very modern. Now, as far as shipping goes, this is always a given point to Macy's. Macy's will arrive to me by the 15th of every month. Ipsy, on the other hand, it's really been slow lately. I talked about this with my BoxyCharm box, that my Ipsy items are just showing up so late. Oh yeah! This is the one with the cute bag! Oh my gosh. Okay. Unless Macy's gives us a full-size product, this is probably going to win for our free item for the month. So both subscriptions will give you a free item each month. For Ipsy, it will always be their iconic glam bag. Now for October, this is pretty stinking cute, right? No, I'm pretty sure this was the one where we were able to choose as members which bag should be the bag for October. So they had two different options and everybody was able to vote on it like a month or two ago. And this is the design that won. This is the one that I voted for as well. It's adorable. So it's a really pretty velvet finish on here, and you've got this black and red design. And then for your Ipsy charm, you actually have a black metal bat. So first item inside of our box is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Lash Sculpt Volumizing Mascara. I am shocked, you guys, that this is in here. So really great brand, absolutely fantastic. This mascara, I just received it in something else. I don't remember what it was in. Maybe it was my Beauty Pass box. And this is the one I'm trying right now. And so far, I'm very pleased with the results. I like the volume and lift that it is giving my lashes, including those little baby lashes. Like, it's getting all of those. So I like the way this is performing so far for my lashes. Now, I believe, I don't know, this might be full size. Maybe it's travel size. Let me look here. I feel like this is slightly smaller than my other one. So this mascara is just their deluxe travel size, but I feel like it's pretty big for a travel size product, right? Like, there's quite a bit in here. I think this will last a while as well. So if you wanted to purchase this in the stores, the full size version comes in at $26 for it. But I'm loving this. I mean, great brand to start this box off with. I like this mascara, and I also feel like there's quite a bit of product there. Next item that I have in here is from Pure Lease, and this is their blush cheek color. This is a liquid blush, and we have it in the shade Cool Mauve is the shade name, which is this color here. So it is designed for cool tone skin, which is what I have. So I definitely know this is what Ipsy would have paired me with on their style quiz, just based off of my skin's complexion. What's great about these liquid blushes though, is you just take a little bit, pop it on, and it will blend out very well. Pure Lease is a great brand also, so I do like that it's in our bag. It's a little small. I don't think you're going to need a lot of blush though, so I mean, it doesn't bother me too much. It's just not nearly as exciting as my mascara. I also have a product in here from Ace Beauty, and this is their loose setting powder. This is their sample size, and it's just their loose powder, and it's in the shade Fair. Now that sticker has a touch of yellow under it, but I don't know if it's just reflecting the packaging or if it actually does have yellow in it. We'll take a quick peek. It does have just a touch, like a little bit of a glow to it. Do you see that? So it's just a loose setting powder. I typically don't mind having a little bit of a glow, but you don't want to go too banana yellow. Next item is a highlighter from Luna Magic. This is their powder highlighter, and it's in the shade name Tulum? Not quite sure if I'm pronouncing that right. So this is what your sample highlighter will look like. And I'll go ahead and pop this open, and it's going to be a powder highlighter. This one looks very neutral. I kind of like that it'll work for everybody. It's not too intense or anything, but it will give you just a little bit of color. Last item inside of my bag today is a palette. This is called the Lash Step palette, and it is the Matte About You. There are 12 matte shades inside of this palette for a day to night look. I think this is full size, you guys. I mean, I'm kind of surprised that they had another full-size product in here, only because I've been receiving quite a few full-size products in the Ipsy Glam bag the last few months, so I'm shocked because they don't advertise that. It's advertised as sample, but there is a mirror inside, and then down below will be all of your shadows. I think it's a really pretty, it's very neutral, obviously, but I do think there's some really gorgeous autumn colors in here. And I do agree this would work as a day to night look. It could be very universal. Take it with you, create a lot of looks in one palette. I'm just shocked. I mean, this is impressive to receive in the glam bag. Now the retail value on this is $45, and it says that it is a full-size product. So we did receive a full-size product this month in Ipsy. See what I mean by Ipsy has gotten better with their glam bag? I mean, it used to be it was always small little sizes like this, but now you at least have the option of getting the deluxe travel sizes or even full-size products. As far as a review goes on the Ipsy bag, I feel like for $15, I'm very happy with it. I love the mascara. I love the palette that they were able to send us. The Pure Lace, while it's a good brand, it is a little bit small. The highlighter is just okay to me. The setting powder is just okay to me. It's not that I won't use a setting powder, but it's just powder. It's not as exciting. So I do feel like, 3 of the 5 items are just okay. It's nothing that I would be like leaping out of my seat for, but I do love the mascara, the palette, and the bag. Those 3 are amazing to me. So all in all, I feel like it's decent. It's a solid bag. I don't feel like I lost money on it. I'm satisfied with my purchase. Let's get into our Macy's beauty box now. Ooh, this feels a little bit heavier than usual. So Macy's always wraps up all of their items in these little pink tissue paper bags. I don't really know why they do that, but somebody has to hand do that every time. So that's just their thing. So I think this is our full-size item, which at first glance, I thought we were getting a Swiss cake roll. The fat girl in me was like, did I just get a Swiss cake roll in my box? But it's pink, so I don't think that's what it is. But I mean, it kind of looks like it, right? So I think this is our free product for the month from Macy's. It is a cryotherapy facial mold. So this is going to be the ice mold itself here, and it's just made of silicone. And you'll add water to this, and you'll pop it in the freezer, and it will create a stick that you're able to then use as a cryofacial tool. So this is what your silicone mold will look like. It's okay. I mean, obviously it's a free item, so I'm not going to put a value on this, but to compare this against the Ipsy Glam bag, I feel like the Ipsy Glam bag just killed it. I don't even think this competes. The glam bag is so cute this month. I don't know. I like the glam bag better than this. So first item inside of our Macy's box today is from Caudalie. This is the Vino Pure Purifying Gel Cleanser, 30 ml or 1 ounce. It is a deluxe travel. Love that we have a full ounce of product here. This will definitely last you quite a few times of using it to cleanse. It is a gentle cleanser, so it is safe for sensitive skin as well. Really great luxury brand. That is one thing about Macy's is they always give us these luxury brands, and that's usually why I feel like it's better for that price point is because of those brands. Next item that I have in here is from Beauty Stat. Ironically, this sample is up for grab in the November Ipsy Glam bag. I went in to do my choice day and this was in there and I almost got it. But then I was like, it's only 5 ml of product. It's not very large. So I ended up not doing it because of that. And then look, I got it here in my Macy's box. So this product is really great. It's their Universal C Skin Refiner. It will help to break down texture, but give you brightness through that vitamin C at the same time. Excellent brand name. It is considered a luxury brand name and it's very effective. I do know some people feel like this product is extremely gritty. I do a small amount and then really work it in. And after doing that, it will break down. So sometimes it's just from using too much product that it might be too gritty for you. So just try to use a little amount is all. But it works really, really well. Excellent product. I recommend it. If you think my skin is glowing, it's probably because of this. Next item that I have is from Benefit Cosmetics, 24-hour brow setter. This is a travel-sized product, but I love Benefit's products. This one will hold your brows in place, it will not flake free, and it will last for 24 hours. Here's what it will look like. And then inside you're gonna have that clear gel, and you're gonna have your spoolie on the end. And that way you can shape and mold your brows and they will stay in place all day long. Next item is from Too Faced Cosmetics. This is their Lip Injection Extreme. It is their long-term lip plumper. And this one, I think we just have the shade Clear. Let me open it up here and see. It is just a sample size or their travel size. I do love this product. If you want a lip plumper that will actually give you a little plumpness, it'll last throughout the day, you have a great shine, this is a great product to use. And yes, this is just going to be our clear shade. You know, Macy's is killing it this month because I've opened up 4 items so far and I don't feel bored or it's just okay with any of them. So that to me is already a sign. Like, I don't know, Ipsy might be in trouble this month. Next item is from Tarte, and this is their lip cream. This is also a travel size product, and we have it in the shade Mauve, which is perfect for fall. So last up, we do have 2 perfume samples from Macy's this month. Typically, you'll receive 1 to 2 in every single box. It's just one of the Macy things that they do. So the first one that I have is from Paco. Ooh, I don't know this name. Rabanne? This is the Fame perfume. I am not familiar with the name or this fragrance at all, but inside you're gonna have your sample-sized perfume. This one, it looks good to me. Like the scent profile on it is jasmine, there's incense and musk. So it sounds like it's gonna be one that I will like. But we also received another one from the same brand, but this is the Phantom fragrance. So we had Fame and now we have Phantom. And this is vanilla, lavender, and vetiver. So this one's really cool. Look at those bottles. That is the perfume bottle right there. Oh my gosh, now I want to go find this in Sephora and look at these. They look like robots. So we have 2 fragrances in here. I love getting these with Macy's because it does introduce you to new scents and you can try something out at a fraction of the cost. So I think this is a huge win to have them in here. And it definitely is the edge that puts Macy's over in terms of count of items as well. So that is everything inside of my Macy's beauty box for October. In this box, we have a total of 7 items plus the free bonus item. So we have an actual 8 items of products inside of the box, you guys. I mean, that's a lot of product. Compared to Ipsy, that's going to give you 6 items with their free bonus item. So the perfumes definitely set this over. But I gotta tell you guys, I think Macy's won this one, even with the bag that Ipsy sent, and I love it. So to me, it's a clear winner this month. I definitely think Macy's had the better beauty box. I think Ipsy did a great job, and I'm satisfied. But Macy's, I'm actually excited about. And I'm like, yeah, you guys should check this one out. So if I was going to recommend between the 2 of these, I would say go check out Macy's. Order their box. Get on their list. So comment down below, you guys, and let me know which box you think won for October for the best beauty box. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.